In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an object or a frame proportionally in Figma. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to keep your designs looking crisp and consistent while changing their size. First, start by selecting what you want to resize. Click directly on the object or frame on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box appear around it with small dots along the border. If your design is nested inside a frame or group and your click keeps selecting the wrong thing, try clicking once to select, then click again to drill down, or use the Layers panel to pick the exact object. This step is important because resizing the wrong layer can throw off your layout. If you're working with a frame that contains multiple elements, selecting the frame itself ensures you're adjusting the container rather than just one item inside it. With your object or frame selected, use the border dot on any corner to resize it. Click and drag from a corner to keep the shape balanced in both width and height. To maintain perfect proportions while you drag, hold the Shift key. You'll see the object scale evenly without stretching or squashing. If you want to resize from the center outward, useful for keeping an element aligned in place, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows while you drag, and combine it with Shift to keep it proportional from the center. Keep an eye on the size readout that appears near your cursor. It's a quick way to confirm you're scaling cleanly. When you're resizing a frame, remember that its content will react according to each layer's constraints. If elements inside aren't scaling the way you expect, it's usually because their constraints are set to pin or stretch in specific directions. For a true proportional scale of everything inside, consider switching to the Scale tool by pressing K, then dragging a corner. This scales dimensions, strokes, effects, and corner radii together, which is ideal for icons and components that need to stay visually consistent at different sizes. A quick usability tip. While dragging, keep your cursor steady and release the mouse before letting go of any modifier keys like Shift or Option or Alt. That helps prevent accidental jumps in size at the end of the drag. When you're happy with the new size, deselect to preview it in context. That's all there is to it. Click to select, then drag a corner border dot to resize, and use Shift to keep everything proportional. Practice this a few times, and it'll become second nature.